What up, fam? It's your boy G Rich. I'm coming to you here on this Saturday. Yes, sir. It's nice and sunny outside. Feels good, about 75 degrees here in Duval. And I'm getting ready to make some jerk fried chicken today. Yes, sir. It's going down. Now, you know, normally we usually cook seafood on Saturdays. Like everybody is tired of it. So, yeah, we eat enough of it. So, this time, so I said, okay, I'm going to throw my recipe on here. I know a lot of people out there to make jerk fried chicken, but this is the way I'm going to make it. And I want to get ready to show you how I'm going to do it. So hold on tight. I'll be right. All right, fam. Here we go. We got 9.5 pounds of chicken pieces. We got wings and drumsticks or legs, whatever you want to call them. Okay. So what you're going to need regular salt, garlic powder, cayenne, and Ocho Rios mild jerk seasoning. Yes, sir. And a little bit of this is right here. This is grapeseed olive oil. We'll put that on later. Show you that about that in a minute. Okay, so you're gonna need 1.5 tablespoons of salt, regular salt. I got about 26 pieces of chicken, 9.5 pounds. Okay, then you gotta need 1/4 of a cup of garlic powder. You gotta stop being afraid to season your meat. Now you know how I like it. This is optional. 1/4 of a cup of cayenne pepper. You won't even too much taste this here once it get the flour and stuff going on there. Now you're gonna need 1/2 of a cup of the Ocho Rios mild jerk seasoning. Get it good and dirty. Oh man, that look and smell good already. And I got one large turkey bag. You gotta marinate jerk chicken for at least 4 or 5 hours. Or you can, most people do it. Since I'm cooking it today, I'm just gonna let it marinate for between 4 and 5 hours. Okay? Now it's time to go and get dirty. Hold on tight. Let's take it for a ride. See there? Once you get the chicken down all in there. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Ain't nothing changed, boo boo. Yes sir. That thing smells good, fam. Look at that. Now I'm making sure every piece is seasoned. And we definitely gonna count how many pieces of chicken in here. Definitely. Because I know it from your view, it doesn't look, this bowl so big, it doesn't look like 26 or 25 pieces of chicken, but we're going to find out today. Mama, there go that man, mama. You see what I'm talking about? Yes, sir. So now I'm going to go ahead and take the chicken out, and I'm going to count it as I put it in the bag, okay? So let me get my hands and stuff together, and I'll be right back. Okay, fam, here we go. All right, got 2, 4, 6. I like to count the chickens so you'll know how many pieces of chicken that I'm seasoned. That it will be perfectly seasoned and not over seasoned. Because the more chicken you have, the more seasoning you gotta use, Okay, we had 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 27. Boy, I be close every time. I try to challenge myself when you buy the chicken. People say, "Oh, you probably counted the chicken when you see people." No, I grab it I like to get home and feel the weight. I look at the weight of it, feel the weight, and say that's about that amount. And I'll be close every time. Anyway, that's 27 pieces. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now? This is 1/4 of a cup of grapeseed olive oil. You got to be marinated. Just pour it in there. It's not that much. Take it. Ain't worried about the bottom of the bag. Ain't gonna eat nothing at the bottom of the bag. Wipe it off before I put it in the refrigerator. Look at that, man. Come on, man. Okay, now we're gonna let it marinate between 4 and 5 hours in the refrigerator. Hold on tight. I'll be right back to get ready to fry. All right, fam, we ready to go. Yes, sir. Okay, as you can see, look how it done marinated, and oh my goodness, it done stuck all to the bag, and oh my goodness, all that goodness up in there. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna leave it in the bag, and I'm gonna go ahead and flour it from here. Flour. Yes, sir. It's gonna be some good eating, fam. All right. Get the top part good. So what do you do? I'm gonna take it out. See that? And put it in this little bucket right here. That's what you're gonna do. You know, fam, when you frying jerk chicken, you know it comes out a little dark. So don't think you're gonna burn it. That's just the way it is. It's jerk chicken. Coat it up real good. Yeah. This sucker coated real good. Okay, that should be enough for that wave. Okay, so what you're gonna do now, you're gonna add more jerk seasoning to it. Yes, sir. Mix it up around. Just a little bit again. A little bit. Mix it around. And it's ready to go. All right, we're going in, fam. Yes, sir. Get one more in there too. I'm gonna do 5 at a time. Oh yeah. I can turn it down a little bit. I got it on number 6. I'm gonna be right here. I don't want to steer you wrong. We'll be back to check on it. See, I just put this in here, fam. It's turning dark already. See that? Ooh, that looks so good. It's not ready yet, though. You gotta wait till all the chicken starts to float up to the top of the grease, okay? Yes, sir. All right, fam. As you can hear, you hear the oil settling down, and the chicken starts to float to the top. Look at that. It must be ready to come out. Let's check that jerk chicken. Oh, ooh. That's jerk chicken. Ooh. Look at that, fam. Nice, crispy and dark, and ooh, I know it's flavorful. I can't wait to get in it. Make sure you drain all the oil off of it. Oh man, look at that, fam. Ooh. I know baby gonna get the first sample, fam. Yes, sir. Let me show y'all, man. That's what you're looking for, fam. That's exactly what you're looking for right there. Ooh wee. Sometimes it'll be a little darker. You put the more flavor and stuff you put on. That's absolutely perfect. Fried jerk chicken. Look at this. You can see the flavor and the season all in there. Without further ado, let's go on with the second batch. See that? The flour done settled down on the chicken and got it coated real good. That's what we wanted to do. We wanted it to stick to it. Yes, sir. We'll be back, folks. Okay, fam. Look like we're ready for the second wave to come out. Second wave. Same results. Oh man. Ooh. Let y'all get a good look at this. Oh man. I'm proud of that thing, fam. Yes, I am. When you hear me laugh like that, I'm good and satisfied. Yes, sir. Same result. Crispy, dark brown. Yes, sir. My family already like it. They already dug into the bowl, fam. They can't wait to finish it. They want seconds and thirds already. I had to let them sample it. They went to smelling it all throughout the house. Good gracious almighty. All right, fam. Third wave going in. Decided to settle down on them. These chickens was snow white, covered with flour. But because all the different kind of seasoning on them and the jerk season flavor, it darkened it and it caused it to stick to it with the oil and stuff. Yes, sir. Look at that. Perfect. Hey, fam. I'll be back with the finished look, man. Appreciate y'all. Okay, fam. There it is. Oh, look at all the seasoning. You can see look at that. Oh, my goodness. I can't wait to get in, fam. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, fam. Now, look out for tomorrow also. I'm going to do a beef tenderloin. Yes, sir. My boy Two Steps called me out on it and wanted me to do a beef tenderloin on the grill. So I'll be back outside tomorrow, fam. But here's my jerk fried chicken. Ooh wee. As you can see, I'm missing some pieces, fam. The family already done did. They just had to have a sample of it. I am impressed with this thing, man. If you like this recipe, you'll see the ingredients down there in the description area, okay? I love y'all to life, man. From my family to yours. In your mouth.